na sina Yeo Yong-se, Kim Kyu-jong, Kim Hyun-joo, Park Jung-mi, at Kim Hyun-jun became united as the premier boy band that contributed so much sa mainstream K-pop scene as we know it today. Sa sobrang effective ng Double S 501, kahit magkahiwalay-hiwalay man sila ng project, dala pa rin nila ang trademark kilig at pop flavor na hinangaan ng kanilang mga fans. Mapa-on-stage performance o madramang acting sa mga K-pop series, the boys proved their versatility, kaya sila lagi ang boy band to be. And better get ready dahil this year, magbabalik ang Double S 501 for an explosive comeback.
Mama, good evening. How are you doing? And you would like to wish you a happy anniversary.
So since SS501 premiered, I will accept the award for them. But all the fans, please scream and say thank you for the award for your favorite band. Yeah, let me hear you.
Congratulations to Double SS501. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of their fans na andito ngayon. Yes, thank you guys for coming.